It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to the house of Afnan with Kiaana Angel. I have a couple of other reviews from this house on this channel that I'd love for you to check out, but this one is my favorite one that I've reviewed from them so far because it is a true gourmand. First of all, let's look at this packaging here. They have truly stepped it up. I love the green. It's pistachio colored, and rightfully so, because this is a pistachio dominant fragrance. But this packaging here, oh my God, this fragrance is very inexpensive, but it looks like it costs hundreds of dollars. I'm just gonna do this slowly for you. Do you see? It's like, oh. This is really nice. This is truly a wow factor, the way that this is packaged. I love this. This bottle is going to look great on a vanity, AKA my vanity. But it's also, I love gold. I love, love, love gold. And this is a nice weighty top, like it is there. But it's all about the smell, right? So for those of you who have ever smelled Kayali's Yum Pistachio, you know that fragrance is over $100. And a lot of people have complained about performance and longevity issues and things of that nature. This one really puts me in the mindset of that fragrance. Now the notes are pistachio, ice cream, bergamot, jasmine, pear, white peach, raspberry, tonka, sandalwood, and cedarwood. Now the notes that I get mostly in this are the pistachio and the cedar. This is a lovely woody gourmand. This is not so sweet to where it's juvenile. I wouldn't even particularly call this an edible gourmand. This is a sexy gourmand, however, and if you like that fragrance, the Kayali Yum Pistachio, you will love this one as well as the price. Now, this is a new bottle, so I will say that I may need to let this sit just a little while because the performance on my skin was not ideal. I got a couple hours and it sat very close. However, on my clothes, it lasted till the next day. So if you are someone who prefers clothing performance, you will have no problems with this straight out the bottle. I like skin performance as well as clothing performance. So I'm gonna let this sit for just a bit to mature a little bit longer to see if it improves on skin. But on clothes, honey, no problem at all. I love this. I love the presentation. It's going to look great. It smells great, and it's wonderful on my pockets. In fact, I can make it even better for you in your pocket. I have a discount code, Margarita L. That's right, it's just my full name. MARGARITAEL, all one word. And you shall get a discount when you check out using my code. The website will be linked below in the description of this video as well as my discount code, so make sure you check it out. But let me know, what fragrances from Afnan have you tried? Which ones are your favorites and which ones did you not like so much, or which ones are you just itching to try? I do want to try their Kiaana Crush. So now that I've got Angel, I do want to get my nose on Crush because if it's anything like this and if the presentation is like this, I want to check it out. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.